Alright, so in this video we're going to be talking about how to simplify the expression cube root of negative 125. This is contrasted with the previous two examples because now we're dealing with a negative number inside a radical. And as long as we have a odd root, we can deal with this effectively. So I'll show you how to do that in a few seconds here. So one thing I want you to note is if we have an odd root, we have the interesting property that if I were to take said odd root, say like, I don't know, the 51st root of minus whatever you like, the minus sign can get pulled out of the radical. So this is equal to minus the radical, or 51st root, of x. So anytime you see a minus sign with an odd root, the negative can be pulled out immediately. Okay? So here we're looking at minus 125, so that negative is going to come out. That's going to be our first step. So we have third root of minus 125, just rewriting. This gives us minus the third root of 125. Okay, now we need to use the same technique that we did in the previous couple examples. We have 125 inside this radical, and we have a third root. So we want to break this preferably into groups of 3 factors. So we need a factor tree. This gives us, okay, well, first thing we notice is that this is divisible by 5 because we have a 5 here in the ones digit. So divide this by 5 and you end up with 5 and 25. 25 also breaks down into 5 times 5. So right here we have a cluster of 3 factors, and that's exactly what we want. So what this buys us is, if we were to rewrite this as 5 cubed, we end up with minus cube root of 5 cubed. And now we have a cube and a cube root, or a third root, in which case the root and the power cancel each other, leaving you with precisely minus 5. The minus sign gets carried along for the ride as we do the rest of our algebra here and all of our factoring, because it's outside the radical. It's not a part of our concern anymore. So with this, we are completely done. This is a simplified expression. This is a complicated way of writing minus 5, because this is all equal. So yeah, we are done with this example. If you found this example helpful, or any other of my videos helpful, please like and subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithms, and it helps other people find us. So thank you, and see you in the next one.